The ongoing and very complex divorce saga between Enhle Mbali and the international DJ Black Coffee is making headlines again. If you've been following the story, you know that it is far from over. And the latest developments have now landed at the Supreme Court of Appeal. A quick disclaimer, everything discussed here is based on reported court documents, public records, and media outlets, not speculation. So here what's new. After more than 6 years of legal back and forth, Black Coffee has been granted leave to appeal to the Supreme Court of Appeal, like I mentioned earlier. He is challenging the High Court ruling that recognizes a customary marriage from back in 2011 that declares their 2017 marriage invalid and placed the marriage in community of property. He is appealing the spousal maintenance order, arguing the court had misapplied the law and that Enhle Mbali did not sufficiently prove her financial needs. His legal team says the High Court made errors in law, particularly around whether a valid customary marriage existed and whether Enhle demonstrated the duration, amount, and necessity for spousal maintenance. He also maintains that he's already paid sufficient financial support over the years. Enhle Mbali's legal team argues that Black Coffee is attempting to introduce new arguments on appeal that were never part of the trial. They insist that the High Court ruling is correct and emphasizes the importance of recognizing customary marriages under the South African law. One of the most talked about aspects of this case comes directly from court papers filed at the Johannesburg High Court, reported by various media outlets, which I will list in the description below. According to these papers, Enhle alleges that Black Coffee should compensate her for acting gigs that she has lost in her marriage. She also claims that while they were still together, she was placed under pressure not to accept acting roles, particularly those involving romantic and intimate scenes. In her own words, as stated in the court document, I also was under pressure from the respondent not to take up acting events, as he would not accept me doing any romantic or intimate scenes. She further alleges that this particular demand caused multiple production companies and projects that she had lined up to cancel on her and drop her from consideration. Romantic scenes are part and parcel of mainstream television, and slowly and incrementally, I found myself becoming a stay-at-home mom without really being aware of it. This specific claim forms part of her argument around financial prejudice and why she believes spousal maintenance is justified for her. I think this case goes far beyond celebrity headlines. It really raises important legal questions about customary marriages and how they really recognize whether personal dynamics within the marriage can impact earning capacities, and how courts can assist those that sacrifice their careers when determining maintenance. With Black Coffee's estimated wealth reportedly exceeding 1 billion, the outcome of this appeal could have major financial and legal implications, not just for them, but for future cases involving customary marriages and spousal support. So let's recap briefly. In 2019, Enhle filed for divorce. In 2025, the High Court ruled in her favor. The court recognized her customary marriage, invalidating the anti-nuptial contract, and awarded her maintenance. Now, Black Coffee has taken the matter to the Supreme Court of Appeal. So now all eyes turn to the Supreme Court of Appeal, where this long-running legal battle could take another dramatic turn. Do you guys think that Black Coffee might just win his appeal and stop giving Enhle spousal maintenance? Or do you think the Supreme Court will still favor Enhle Mbali because they were married in community of property before they had the anti-nuptial agreement? What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section. Let's keep the discussion going. Thank you so much for watching far. And if you like this video, YouTube thinks you like this video next,